Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the very old-fashioned from Cocktail Time with kevinkos. I've been watching his stuff for a while now. I've been enjoying his DIY liqueur things because I want to try that at some point. But he did very recently strawberry cocktails, and the one that there's actually 3 of them that caught my eye. Unfortunately, I don't have ingredients for 2 of them. But we're doing the very old-fashioned because it's easy, and I'm curious. Now, I know a lot of people are probably going to shoot the messenger or whatever, or say, no, I shouldn't use it, but I'm going to use Buffalo Trace as the bourbon to use, because I don't have any Four Roses. And I think this will work out pretty well. So, we're going to try it, see how it goes. Worst case, it sucks. I don't think it will. I think it'll be just fine. I think it'll taste pretty damn good. Yeah, alright, let's just get into it. We are going to need 2 ounces of our choice bourbon. I'm choosing Buffalo Trace. Again, people are probably not going to be too happy I'm using Buffalo Trace since it's very hard to get in certain places. They'll be like, dude, you're wasting it. And maybe so, but I'm willing to give it a try and see how it tastes. Screw it. 1/4 ounce of your strawberry syrup. You don't need a lot of this. And then you need 2 dashes of your Angostura bitters. God. Drop some on the bar because fuck it, why not, I guess. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Yeah, it's probably about as mixed as it's going to get. So we're going to go ahead and pour in the drink. Like so. And then we're going to give it a try. Let's see what the very old-fashioned tastes like. Ooh. I can definitely taste the aromatic bitters quite well. Don't know if Buffalo Trace was probably the best decision for this one, but it has a very nice, unique taste to this. The bitters is coming out pretty strong on this. Don't really taste too much of the strawberry syrup. I would recommend maybe a little bit more strawberry syrup. Probably go for the full 1/2 ounce worth, like you're making your own old-fashioned. I'm just going to add just a hair bit more. It's probably going to be closer to about 1/2 ounce more. Yes, I know I'm not supposed to do it this way. Back off. But it's a strong and pretty tasty, very old-fashioned. I give it almost a 9 out of 10. I don't have saline solution like he has because I haven't been able to find any. But yeah, it's actually pretty nice. It's you can definitely taste good notes on the bourbon. I'm starting to actually taste that strawberry syrup now, which is actually kind of nice. I'm actually kind of enjoying this nicely. I would recommend diluting the cocktail just a little bit longer than I did. But good cocktail. Thank you, Cocktails with kevinkos. Fantastic. I have to give him that. That's fantastic. It would definitely be probably really good with the saline solution because that'll really bring out all the flavors in this. But as is, pretty good. Yeah, I'm definitely giving this a 9 out of 10. On the low end, maybe an 8.8. It's fucking delicious. I like it. I like it a lot. And I'm not a huge fan of old-fashioned cocktails. Not a huge fan of it, but this one, the Sazerac, which was in an old-fashioned glass, and the Chicago old-fashioned, which are all on my channel as is, or on this TikTok channel account thing. Yeah, those are my favorites so far. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.